The other day I stopped over at Steve Morris Racing Engines. It's a local place here in my hometown, and great YouTube channel. If you love high performance engines, go ahead and look at that, Steve Morris. But he has these things over there that you can buy, spark plug holders, and they're great because they fit the spark plug that you pull out of your vehicle that you're going to be checking to see how it's burning. And I was very pleased with how things are burning in the 64. And so these are just 3D printed, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's based on a 400 small block, just because of the 3 freeze plugs that are there. So an early 400 before they went to the 2 block version. But very cool setup. Nice thing to have sitting on the bench, and when you pull the spark plugs out, you know exactly which hole they go to, and you don't have to stick them in a paint can lid or something like that. And then the other thing is, what am I going to do with this? It's been a long time since I restored a toy, and I found this, and this 57, you can tell by the hood scoop, and I think the kid must have took the dump box off. This chassis was used for multiple different trucks, but you can see this is this hole is wallered out. The difference between hogging out and wallering out is intent. This was just from use, so it was wallered, and so that would have been where the lift mechanism was for the dump bed. And I'm assuming, maybe it's just desiring to have a narrative. The kid must have built his own little wooden box for it. So we could bring it back and do an actual dump bed on it again, or we could do the way that the kid did and build some sort of wood stake bed, flat bed, or something like that. So which way should I go about it? Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think we should do. Go back to original, or go back with the design that or the intent of the or late 50s, early 60s child, and what he wanted to see done with his truck. So I'm leaning towards the intent of the 10-year-old boy. But let me know in the comments. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.